Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ryan Argenti.
And we got some showers that are overspreading parts of our area now. We'll continue to see some off and on showers and drizzle. And we're actually going to go to the 70s for tomorrow as well. We're also keeping an eye on what's now Hurricane Helene. Looking live over Harrisburg now, we have some drizzle that's across the capital now, and we're seeing in most areas these conditions that are over the city. Today, 66 to 70 degrees, clouds and some drizzle, showers at times. It's going to feel sticky out there as we transition into tonight, 64 to 68 degrees. We'll see some areas of fog, steady temperatures as well, and we'll also have some more showers and drizzle for today. Tomorrow, we're 76 to 80 degrees, morning showers, isolated showers later in the day, and it'll be warmer and humid as we go into the afternoon tomorrow. Current temperatures now across the valley into the lower 60s, and those dew points feeling a little sticky for some of us. 66 in Gettysburg, 63 York, 63 in Lancaster. And your weather and health for the day today: pollen levels are low, mold levels are high, and the air quality is good, and a UV index, or a low UV index, with a plus 1 hour burn time. That's because we're just socked in with these overcast conditions, as you can see by the satellite product that we have over top of our Storm Team Live radar network. We can see these showers are starting to exit Lancaster County now, moving into Lebanon, and you can see other parts of our area are receiving some of this beneficial rain. We'll continue to see some more off and on showers as we go through the rest of the day today. But as we look at predictor, as we go into Wednesday evening, or this evening, you can see a warm front's going to overspread the valley, and that's what's going to keep our temperatures steady. And we're going to continue to see some more shots of rain as that frontal passage makes its way through, and we have another cold front that's going to push into the valley. And that's what's also going to be sparking up another shower or two. And here comes the remnants at this point in time on Friday, the remnants of Helene. In terms of the impacts of Helene in our area, we're expecting the outer bands of Helene to impact us, with nothing close to the impacts that the western coast of Florida is going to be receiving. So we could be seeing some showers as we go into this weekend. Again, keeping an eye on Helene now. Category 1 hurricane, winds at 80 miles an hour, moving north-northwest at 10 miles per hour. And Helene's going to quickly intensify to a potentially category 3 hurricane, a major hurricane making landfall on the Florida Panhandle and part of the Big Bend coastline. And again, a lot of impacts are expected with Hurricane Helene. And so here are some of the impacts. The storm surge, we are expecting 10 to 15 feet, especially along the Florida Big Bend coastline, but the entire west coast of Florida can expect some storm surge. In terms of rainfall, we'll have about 5 to 10 inches of rain. Isolated spots could see 15 inches over the southeastern U.S. And severe threats are hurricane force winds in warned areas, rip currents, flooding, and also potentially tornadoes. So if you have any family down towards Florida, warn them now and spread the word. To plan out your next 10 days back home here, we are looking at showers for today, tomorrow, and into Friday as well. This weekend, again, we're watching Helene, and we have a chance of showers to begin the work week next week.